Hello everyone. Today we learn advanced phrasal verbs in English. Slip up, meaning make a small mistake.
I slipped up and sent the wrong email.
Harp on, about, meaning talk again and again.
He keeps harping on about the past.
Jump at, meaning accept quickly.
She jumped at the job offer.
Roll with, meaning accept changes.
We must roll with the changes.
Drum into, meaning teach again and again.
The teacher drummed discipline into students.
Pour over, meaning study carefully.
He pored over the documents.
Toss around, meaning talk about ideas.
We tossed around ideas.
Yank out, meaning pull out fast.
She yanked out the weeds.
Water down, meaning make weaker.
The rule was watered down.
Pan out, meaning end well.
I hope the plan ends out.
Fend off, meaning protect yourself.
He fended off criticism.
Tinker with, meaning make small changes.
She tinkers with her laptop.
Crack on with, meaning continue quickly.
Let's crack on with work.
Duck out of, meaning avoid something.
He ducked out of the meeting.
Grind away, meaning work for long time.
She is grinding away on her project.
Smooth over, meaning fix a problem.
He tried to smooth over the mistake.
Pluck up courage, meaning find courage.
She plucked up courage to speak.
Size up, meaning judge quickly.
He sized up the situation.
Spin out, meaning make longer.
He spun out the task.
Map out, meaning plan carefully.
They mapped out the project.
Split up with, and relationship.
She split up with her boyfriend.